Hi everyone, I thought I would remake my video of how to remember sequences when learning a song on a piano. Now, there can be a problem where you're learning a melody. Let's say you're learning something off YouTube and you can't quite remember a lot of notes at once. So what I like to do, I'm going to give you an example. When I learned how to play I'm Blue by Eiffel 65, I had to break it up into very small chunks because I understand, and many of you that have got dyspraxia will understand, that you can only get so far and retain the information. So let's just say I'm playing this. That can be very hard to retain. So what I suggest is learn it in small chunks and keep repeating the same bit over and over again until you've drilled it into your head. And then when you've got that bit going, you go on to the next chunk. So I made a mistake there, but you get the idea. So you keep repeating each little chunk until you can put the whole melody together. And you keep repeating that and repeating it until you've got confidence in playing the whole melody. I also suggest do keep practicing the melody over a course of a couple of days so it drills into your head. So regarding remembering sequences, the best thing to do is break it up into small chunks. I'm sorry this video is a bit all over the place. I'm trying to think what I want to say at the same time. And I hope it makes sense. I just want to say that if you want to follow my Twitter, I'm going to link it in the description of the video, my new Twitter. If you want to follow my SoundCloud, that will be in the channel description. If you want to look at my letter note piano tutorials, they are on my Weebly site and my Wix blog, and there's a chat box on there where you can leave keyboard tutorial suggestions. I hope you like this video, and I hope it helps somebody understand how you can learn notes by breaking it down. So thank you for watching. Bye.